The agriculture industry is entering a new era, with new technologies being applied to livestock farming. So, what are these technologies? Leave a number 1 and watch the whole video with me. At the beginning of the 21st century, global agriculture was still heavily reliant on manual labor. However, the rising demand for food coupled with a shortage of labor forced the agriculture industry to make a significant shift toward automation. The first technology applied in cattle farming appeared in the early 20th century, marking an important milestone in the agricultural industry. In 1923, in the United States, the mechanical milking machine was introduced, beginning the automation revolution in cattle farming. This invention initially faced skepticism but quickly proved its worth by significantly increasing labor productivity and reducing the time and effort needed for manual milking. The milking machine operates based on the principle of vacuum suction. The system includes a vacuum pump that creates low pressure in the suction tubes attached to the cow's udder. As the pressure changes alternately, the machine simulates the natural motion of hand milking, allowing the milk to flow steadily without causing pain or stress to the cow. The milk is then directed through sealed tubes to a container, ensuring hygiene and minimizing exposure to external air, thus enhancing milk quality. This mechanism is not only simple but also efficient, helping farmers handle large numbers of dairy cows while maintaining their health and productivity. What's remarkable is that this invention not only brought convenience but also changed how farmers approached cattle farming. At the time, dairy farms began shifting from small-scale operations to large-scale production, thanks to the support of machinery. Soon after, this technology spread to Europe, with countries such as the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, and Germany quickly adopting it, taking their dairy farming industries to new heights. The milking machine was not just a technical invention, but also a symbol of innovation and progress in agriculture. It laid the foundation for a series of advanced technologies like automatic feed mixers, health monitoring sensors for cows, and smart barn management systems. Leave a number 1 if you think this is a great invention in the agricultural industry. The second piece of machinery I want to mention is the automatic feeding machine. At my farm, thanks to this machine, I can save $2 million each year on labor costs. The operation mechanism of this machine is very simple but highly effective. The machine uses an intelligent sensor system to identify each cow, measure its nutritional needs, and determine the required amount of feed. The manager can program the machine to provide food to the herd according to a schedule and precise dosage, ensuring consistency and food efficiency. The machine has a feed distribution system, such as a conveyor belt or auger, that transports feed from the storage area to distribution points. Electronic controllers help adjust the speed and amount of feed distributed, preventing waste and ensuring the cows receive enough nutrition. Additionally, some machines are equipped with cow recognition technology, helping monitor the health and diet of each individual cow. The automatic feeding machine can handle and distribute various types of feed for cows and livestock, including fresh grass, dry hay, concentrate, and processed feeds like grain mixes and soy flour. These feeds can be blended and evenly distributed to the cows, ensuring each cow gets the required nutrients based on their specific needs. Thanks to this, I no longer have to damage my hooves to mix the feed. Have you ever been frustrated with waste management? I certainly have. It can be considered the nightmare of any farm when dealing with the enormous amount of waste from livestock every day. However, waste cleaning machines offer a fantastic solution, helping reduce the workload, save time, and minimize labor. The mechanism of this machine is to automatically collect and transport waste from the barn to the processing area, reducing human contact with waste and minimizing the risk of disease spread. Waste cleaning machines typically have the ability to operate continuously 2 to 3 times per day, depending on the size of the farm and the number of livestock. They use conveyor systems, containers, or small automated trucks to gather waste from different barn areas and move it to the processing area, helping keep the barn space clean and dry. The machine can also be programmed to adjust the frequency and method of cleaning to suit different types of livestock, optimizing the process and minimizing waste. Besides saving time and effort, waste cleaning machines also help reduce farm operation costs. By automating the cleaning process, farmers can focus on other important tasks like animal health care, nutrition management, and product harvesting. Leave a 0 if you think this video wasn't helpful. Modern cows are not only free-range but also managed by robots and drones, offering unprecedented efficiency. The cattle herding robot works like an intelligent herder. It is programmed to guide cows from the pasture to the barn or vice versa, ensuring they have access to adequate food and water. Sensors attached to the robot monitor the health of each cow, including heart rate, temperature, and milk quality. Meanwhile, the cattle herding drone flies overhead, scanning the entire pasture with thermal cameras and image sensors. These drones can detect stray cows, check the condition of the grass, and even alert farmers about potential dangers, such as wild animals. Images and data from the drone are sent directly to the farmer's phone or computer, allowing them to monitor the herd remotely. Modern technology is creating a major turning point in the meat processing industry, from raw material handling to packaging, optimizing processes, ensuring food safety, and minimizing environmental impact. In meat processing plants, high-precision meat-cutting robots have replaced much manual labor. These robotic arms are equipped with sensors and computer vision systems to recognize the size and structure of each piece of meat, allowing them to make clean cuts and reduce material waste. Next, automated meat sorting systems use artificial intelligence, AI, to distinguish types of meat based on color, texture, and weight, meeting the stringent requirements of the market. Modern 3D scanners are also applied to inspect the internal quality of the meat without deeply intervening with the product. This technology detects structural flaws and ensures the product meets standards before reaching the consumer. Additionally, automatic vacuum packaging lines help preserve meat longer, maintaining flavor and preventing bacteria. A blockchain system is integrated to track the meat's origin from the farm to the dining table, increasing transparency and consumer trust. Modern cattle farming methods not only provide exceptional benefits in production, but also ensure superior quality for the product. Advanced farming techniques, such as the use of sensor technology, robots, and scientific nutrition, help cattle grow healthily and reach optimal quality. Intelligent monitoring systems track the health, weight, and growth rate of each cow, thereby optimizing their diet to help them develop with the best quality, without the need for antibiotics or growth hormones. As a result, beef from these cattle is fresh, lean, high in protein, and retains its tenderness and natural sweetness. In cuisine, this high-quality beef is the ideal ingredient for many dishes. With its tenderness and rich flavor, it is used in grilling, stewing, stir-frying, and especially in steak dishes. Beef from modern cattle farming is also easily prepared into premium dishes like Wagyu beef, which is known for its evenly distributed marbling, creating a perfect balance between fat and meat, providing an exceptional culinary experience. Furthermore, high-quality beef offers nutritional benefits, providing a significant amount of iron, zinc, and vitamin B12, helping maintain good health. Using high-quality beef in meals not only provides great flavor, but also ensures a healthy diet. Foods made from modern beef not only meet culinary needs, but also contribute to improving the quality of meals and public health. Currently, many countries are leading the way in adopting new technologies in livestock farming, especially cattle, to improve productivity and product quality. The United States is one of the front-runners, using robotics and sensor technology to monitor the health and growth of cattle, helping optimize their nutrition and reduce costs. Australia is also prominent, with farms utilizing drones and remote monitoring systems to assess livestock conditions and manage herds more efficiently. Additionally, New Zealand and Canada are applying advanced technologies such as big data analytics to predict the development of livestock herds, thereby improving productivity and minimizing environmental impact. These countries are continuously innovating to achieve sustainability in the livestock industry. China has over 20 eel farming regions, primarily concentrated in southern provinces such as Guangdong, Fujian, and Zhejiang, where they are considered a local specialty. As of 2024, China's eel production is estimated to reach around 300,000 tons annually. Eels are raised in clean water environments with gentle flow, stable temperatures, and strict water quality control to ensure optimal growth. Chinese eels not only meet domestic demand but are also exported to several other countries, including Japan, South Korea, and various European nations, thanks to their high quality and nutritional value. If you're looking for a healthy food option, lemon powder is a fantastic choice. In South Korea, lemons are commonly processed into powder for easy use. Leave a 1 if you want to visit their factory. The process of making lemon powder starts with washing the lemons thoroughly. Workers wash about 10 tons of lemons each day through 3 water rinses to ensure cleanliness. The lemons are then placed in a machine that slices them into visually appealing rounds. These slices are neatly arranged on a conveyor belt and dried in a dehydrator at 130 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2 hours. After drying, the lemons are ground into a fine powder and finally packaged for storage and use. When you visit South Korea, make sure to stop by convenience stores and try the lemon powder. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and minerals such as potassium and magnesium, which help boost the immune system and support cardiovascular health. If someone in your household is suffering from a cold or sore throat, try making a jar of lemon in sugar. This remedy can help alleviate symptoms due to its soothing properties and vitamin C content. Lemon in sugar is also great for those looking to quench their thirst, offering a refreshing and nutritious taste. It not only helps to relieve thirst, but also provides energy and enhances overall health. Additionally, there are eels that can reach an impressive weight of up to 5 pounds, much larger than the average eel. These giant eels are sold at higher prices, potentially up to $50 each, due to their remarkable size and superior meat quality, making them highly sought after in high-end restaurants. Leave a 1 if you prefer giant eels and a 0 if you prefer regular eels. I will take you on a tour of the largest grilled eel factory in Fujian. Eels are sourced from farms and then placed in ice-cold containers to maintain their freshness. Upon arriving at the factory, the eels are transported to the cleaning area to remove the slime, with workers continuously adding ice to stun the eels. In the next stage, workers use sharp knives to remove the heads and clean the eels. The eels are then neatly arranged on a conveyor belt and briefly grilled to preserve their tenderness and sweetness. Simultaneously, a special sauce is prepared, and the grilled eels are rolled in it to achieve an appetizing brown color. Finally, the grilled eels are freeze-dried before being sent to market. Grilled eel is very popular in China, with a consumption volume reaching up to 50,000 tons annually. Braised eel is a delicious and easy-to-make dish at home that I recommend, originating from Jiangsu Province, China. Once cleaned, the eel is cooked with bamboo shoots and pork for about 45 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and achieve perfect tenderness. This dish features a rich flavor, combining the sweetness of the eel with the crisp, sweet crunch of the bamboo shoots, creating an enticing culinary experience. Each year, eels can reproduce 2 to 3 times, with each spawning producing between 200,000 and 300,000 eggs. Before being raised on farms, eels are initially kept in artificial tanks in laboratories to control their growth conditions. The eels farmed in China primarily come from European eel stock, which has been bred to adapt to the local environment. Farms use this eel variety to ensure that the eels meet nutritional and food safety standards for the market. Eels are fed 2 to 3 times a day with a finely ground mixture of fish, shrimp, and various small aquatic animals. This feed provides essential protein, vitamins, and minerals needed for eel growth. At the farms, the amount of food is carefully measured for each group of over 2,000 eels. Once the food is released into the tank, the eels immediately rush to devour it, and within 5 minutes, all the food is consumed. Imagine what might happen if you accidentally fell into an eel tank. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Eels are raised for about 12 to 18 months before harvest. At this stage, they reach a weight of approximately 1 to 2 pounds and a length of 20 to 30 inches. During each harvest, farms can collect around 1,000 to 1,500 pounds of eels. The eels are gathered using specialized fishing nets. With their high commercial value, farms can earn between $10,000 and $15,000 per harvest, depending on market prices and eel quality. The United States is the largest beef-producing country in the world, accounting for approximately 20% of the global cattle population. Thanks to its diverse and suitable climate, including vast grasslands and temperate weather, the US can raise a variety of cattle breeds, from beef to dairy. The cost of raising cattle in the US is about $50 to $60 billion annually. Industrial farms typically house around 1,000 to 5,000 cattle per farm, with a diet primarily consisting of fresh grass and supplemental feed. The country also supplies millions of breeding cattle each year to meet both domestic and global export demands. Grilled eel is a famous dish in Fuzhou, China. The eels are grilled over charcoal to preserve the natural sweetness of the fresh eel. After about 10 minutes of grilling, the eels are dipped in a sauce made from soy sauce, rice wine, garlic, and sugar, which adds a rich flavor. The eels are grilled for approximately 10 to 15 minutes until golden brown. Eels are grilled and sliced to order, served with rice. This dish has a fragrant aroma, a delicate sweetness, and tender, fatty eel meat that blends perfectly with the savory sweet sauce, creating a tantalizing taste experience. Try growing lemons at home using our method. Start with a lemon that has a slightly shriveled skin, around 20% dried. Use a tool to make 2 holes in the lemon to promote growth. Here's a tip: use aloe vera gel, which provides essential nutrients and moisture, and stimulates lemon development due to its rich enzyme and vitamin content. Next, insert 3 sharp sticks into the lemon to secure it at the mouth of a jar. Place a larger box around the lemon to create a warm, humid environment. After about 2 to 3 weeks, the lemon will start to sprout roots and shoots. At this point, you can transfer it to the soil to continue growing. Beef ranks 3rd on the list of the most popular meats worldwide, following chicken and pork. The largest beef-producing countries include the United States, Brazil, and Argentina. Globally, approximately 70 million tons of beef are consumed each year. Beef is a widely consumed food in over 80 countries, thanks to its high nutritional value and versatility in cooking. Barbecue beef is a beloved street food in Texas, USA. Here, barbecue beef is not only a popular dish, but also a significant part of the local culinary culture. Street vendors and festivals often serve barbecue beef with rich flavors, prepared using a blend of spices and special sauces. The beef is typically slow-cooked over charcoal until it reaches optimal tenderness and deliciousness. This dish attracts not only locals but also visitors, offering a unique and memorable culinary experience in Texas.